Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video we will learn how to set password to never expire for domain users from Active Directory. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller quickly. This is my domain controller, Active Directory server, and here I am going to open Active Directory users and computers. Okay, and from here we will try to set user password to never expire. Okay, so I have few users here like administrator and other, but these are built-in users. So let's try once the domain users. So like I have this user. Okay, so let's right click, go to properties. Okay, go to account, and here you can see never password has been set. Okay, if this is not set, okay, you have to set it. You have to check this option, okay, and click to apply, and okay, so you have to enable this option. Okay, so in same way you can find your users in Active Directory. Okay, like here. Okay, you can find a user and set the password to never expire following the same steps. Sometimes if you have a service account or any other account which password should not expire, right? So we need to take this action. We have to set the password as never expired. So yes, following the same steps you can set user password to never expire. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I'll request you to just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.